Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Doug from Beyond Territory, and in this episode, I treated myself. You kind of have that fight inside yourself, whether or not you're going to buy something or not. And then there's an opportunity to get something, and you know, if you don't pick it up then, you probably will miss it. And this is one where I just had to get my hands on it. And I picked up a copy of Curse City, and I thought I'd show you through. Let you have a look at the box. So the box artwork is brilliant, really graphic. Kind of reminds me of like Frank Miller-esque kind of drawing style. Quite like it. Not much colour, black and white, bit of art making, and then your red for your gore and your violence, which is awesome. So let's have a look at the back. It's actually free. You've got the characters you're going to pick up, which, as you guys might be following me, you know that I've got a Soul Blight Gravelord army, and I've got some cool characters. Very excited about Gorslav the Gravekeeper, but I get some more zombies and some more skelly bobs, which is very, very exciting. And then along the bottom is the heroes, the questers. Very cool, beautiful photos. Tells you what you get: a rule book, quest book, war scrolls, which is pretty good, so you can use them for the Age of Sigmar. There's 138 cards to play the game, loads of tokens, loads of dice, the Peril envelope, which I'm keen to find out what that will be about. Then you get 60 miniatures, which is awesome. That's the long list. Let's pause there for a bit. All right. And I picked this up for a good price at my local hobby store, Grumpy Pony. Always going to shout out for a local hobby store. So let's have a look in the box. Sprues, sprues, sprues. First sprue. A little whiz. Focus. Some more. Let's see some skeletons, some fell bats, zombies, rats, all cool things. Oh, second big one. Very much like the other one. The next big one, you got some of your big characters on here. There you go. Very cool, very dynamic looking parts. 3 large sprues and a little sprue for the traditional bad guys. Heroes, 2 sprues. It's cool. Slightly smaller one, but it's very jam-packed. Bits and pieces. Right, back to the box. You get a nice piece of card, bit of blood on it. And inside, there we go, goodies. So, rule book. Haven't opened that yet. I have to have a look through that in a bit. Selection of cards. A lot of bases. Nice hefty bag of dice. Some tokens. And your tiles, dungeon tiles. All jam-packed together in a nice hefty wedge of card. Bigger sprue, and a bunch of bags to keep all your cards nice and safe. Let's take a closer look. So it looks satisfying peeling the cellophane on here. We have the rule book. Let's come up a bit. Rule book, quite a thin magazine. Introduction, getting started, components, what you should have inside, what the cards are, beautiful pictures of all the characters, which is just what that. 1, 2 pages, 3, 4 pages of loads of cool stuff that you get in your box. Combat tutorials, you reference stuff, More tutorials, tutorial 3, 4, 5. And then you've got your getting ready to play. It's quite nice. So you get through a couple of tutorials, knowing how to do stuff. Then you start to pick up the role of the game. Example of play area, how much space you need, how to lay out stuff, very useful. This is all new to me. I've not played a questing game before, so bring a little bit different element to the hobby. And let's break down the turn. Beautiful artwork. And you've got a breakdown on quests. So different quests, different options, your different style tiles, formations, different journeys, more different variations of your tiles. Very cool. This looks like the envelope. The Olfenkara, well, I'm going to pronounce that wrong. Olfenkarn Imperil envelope. Do not open until the final assault decapitation journey has been completed. Apparently, there's like 10 or so different versions of these. So, who knows where I'll end up. More scrolls. So that's cool. I'll check the publication date on this, but you've got all your characters that you have in here that you can play for Age of Sigmar, which is brilliant. So I've got a little bit of Cities of Sigmar army. I've got my Soulblade Gravelords, double piece of artwork, and baddies. And really kind of engages you in more of the backstory. And then what's this? How to stick stuff together, or put stuff together. Okay, with making the Cursed City, start with this bad boy. Yeltsin Darek, I'm sure I pronounced that wrong, but here he is, made up. Next character, Captain Imelda Raskov. Very cool. A little bit of filing and trimming down. Next one, I'm going to pronounce this wrong. Colathis the Exile. Edwardin, there he is. Dagnai Holdenstock. Big boy. Brutog Corpse Eater. I'm probably murdering these names, but next one. Cleona Zentangle. Doesn't sound right. Next one. I'm definitely going to pronounce this one wrong. Lario Van Alten III. And the last of the heroes, Optron Glimscry. Very cool. They're my heroes. So for the baddies, Radika the Wolf, Torgilus the Chamberlain, Watch Captain Halgrim. There you go. These guys, the Kozgari Night Guard. A triple threat this time. The Vikos Bloodborne. How many I've been looking forward to get? Gorslav the Gravekeeper. And one of these big bad boys. I pronounce this wrong. Vargskaya. And after that, you have 10 Deadwalker zombies. Here's another one. Put these bad boys at the top. Then you get some Death Rattle skeletons, or the Orphan Watch. You get 10 of those as well. Spears and swords. Then you get 6 bases of corpse rats. Then you get 6 bat swarms. There's a couple of them. And you got 2 hanging skeletons. Then you get 2 crows with keys sitting on pillars. A couple of headstones. 4 of these like golem looking things. Then you get 2 dead cats, skeleton cats, undead cats. And then 2 of these fine looking gentlemen. All right, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this one. Hope you liked me going through the box and showing all the bits and pieces. I look forward to showing you guys later how I'm going to paint them up, and I'll do some reports on how my quest goes. Catch you all later. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.